Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to buy some fresh meat, please.
Of course. We have beef, chicken, lamb, and fish today. What would you like to start with?
Let's start with some beef. Is it fresh?
Yes, ma'am. It came early this morning. Very fresh.
Great. Can you show me some pieces for stew?
Sure. Do you want boneless or bone-in cuts?
Bone in, please. It gives more flavor.
Absolutely. Here, these are nice cuts for stew.
Looks good. How much per pound?
It's $7.50 per pound today.
A little expensive. Wasn't it cheaper last week?
Yes, ma'am. The market price went up this week.
All right. Give me 2 pounds, please.
Sure, here you go. Exactly 2 pounds.
Perfect. Do you also have chicken?
Yes, we have regular chicken and organic chicken.
What's the price difference?
Regular is $3 per pound and organic is $5 per pound.
Oh, that's quite a difference.
Yes, ma'am. Organic chickens are free-range and hormone-free.
I see. I'll take 1 medium organic chicken, please.
This one's around 3 pounds. Is that okay?
Yes. Please cut it into small pieces.
Right away. Don't worry, everything is cleaned properly.
That's good to know. Do you sell lamb too?
Yes, fresh lamb. Very tender.
How much per pound?
It's $9.50 per pound, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me 1 pound for curry.
Sure. Medium pieces, right?
Exactly. Thanks.
My pleasure.
Do you also sell ground meat?
Yes, we have ground beef and ground chicken.
Perfect. I'll take 1 pound of ground beef for burgers.
Here you go. Freshly ground right here.
You grind it yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is ground fresh on site.
That's great. Freshness matters. What about fish?
Yes, right over there. We have salmon, tilapia, and catfish today.
Is the salmon wild or farmed?
It's wild caught from Alaska. Best quality.
How much per pound?
$11.99 per pound, ma'am.
Pricey, but salmon is my favorite.
It's our best seller.
Okay, I'll take half a pound, filleted, please.